my god, this one's really dusty. Oh my god, what am I doing? What is this? This is a disaster. So I'm gonna say it. I'm gonna say it, girl. It is. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am super excited because I am doing a Fuego or no Puedo. You guys have been asking me
a series of that again.
And today's the day. So today we are doing the Jaclyn palette volume 2. I know her first palette that she came out with, I believe it was her first palette. I wanted that palette so bad, I just never got my hands on it, and a lot of people actually talk about that palette, and I'm just so glad I got this one, you guys. I am so excited. So if you guys want to see if this palette is Fuego or no Puedo, then just keep on watching. Alright, so I've already primed my eyes. I just put some concealer and we are gonna get started, you guys. I actually have not opened it. I just got it in, I think 2 days ago. I ordered it myself and I got fast shipping because I'm like, I need this now. Oh, I'm just looking at the back too. She is gorgeous. Wow. Okay. Well, that's pretty. I love that it's glossy, so it'd be like easy to clean. Oh my god. To all my loving subscribers who have supported me all these years, this one's for you. So fun fact, y'all, Jaclyn, I was a huge fan. I actually met her once and I literally was shaking so much, and honestly she was one of the sweetest freaking influencers I have met. She literally made me seem like I had known her for so long. She had known me for so long. And mind you, I mean, I literally was just like, I was so nervous. I just had asked her for a picture and she was so freaking sweet. I remember my freaking camera. For some reason, we kept wanting to take the picture and it kept coming out blurry. And I remember she grabbed the camera. She's like, hold up. She was like cleaning the lens and stuff. And she was really funny. And I literally was obsessed with her videos. Let me show you guys because I have not showed y'all. That is so beautiful. I'm not gonna do any swatches or anything like that because I'm sure you guys have seen, I'm sure she did swatches. Okay, so I'm gonna start with Hard On. So I just noticed right now that there is no mirror. I don't really mind that there's no mirror because I always use a separate mirror. I would assume maybe traveling it'd be kind of, not even annoying, I don't know. I don't know. What do you guys think about palettes not having mirrors? Oh my god, this is pigmented. I don't know why I thought it would be like a pink red, but this is red. Oh my Lanta, this is just so extreme. Okay, hold on, give me a minute, y'all. I need to just blend these little edges out. I'm so sad that I actually really never got the first Jaclyn palette. I know the Vault one, Volt, is that what you say? I just remember seeing all the videos and stuff. I guess I didn't really need that one, but I am upset that I never got the first one. Okay. I feel like with the blending, it's kind of moving. Okay, there you go. I was about to say, girl, please do not do this to me. The next color I'm going to go in with is My Man. This is hard because I want to go in with the orange and the yellow, but I'm gonna go over the red and hopefully whoa, that's not gonna work out. It's because I want there to be like a bomb transition. Y'all know what I'm talking about? Like those looks where it's just like color after color. It's like, how do you do it? I feel like you have to have like a really big lid space for that. Oh my god, what am I doing? What is this? This is a disaster. Okay, no, I have to leave it like that. I don't know what I'm doing. Oh my god, I'm screaming. Let's go ahead and take No Joke. Ooh, girl, wish me luck with this because I am scared. All right. I'm gonna probably have to go in back with the orange. I don't even know at this point. We are starting off terribly. If I keep looking down here, guys, my monitor's down here. I just always want to make sure we're in frame, everything's looking good. And it just kind of works as a second mirror to me. So if I'm looking down here a lot, that is why. By the way, shout out to Live Glam for this robe. I thought it was the cutest thing ever. I actually always like to get ready in robes. Like, y'all can just catch me in robes every single day. Okay, that is looking a lot better. So this is the thing about these kind of palettes. I love when it just makes you step out of that comfort zone. I feel like a palette that just has pure neutrals, it's like, okay, we get it. You want to have colors in there, so you have different options. You know what I'm saying? Oh my Lanta. It's just like scary because it's going all the way up to my brow bone. So with this same brush, I'm gonna take my man, which is the orange. I'm not even taking off the yellow. I'm just going right over just so they could be a good blend, because I feel like I didn't apply so much of the orange. So I'm just applying it right in between. And you see how it's kind of looking put together. Ooh, I'm actually liking it now. Try not to go so above. You still want to keep that yellow right there, so don't touch that. I think I'm gonna go a little bit in with Living My Best Life. It is a deeper red, but I think I'm gonna go in the crease just because this one is nice. But if I want to add a little bit more depth, I'm gonna have to go in with that one. Oh my god, this one's really dusty. So I always do my eyes first, y'all. I do not have foundation. I always do this because I just know with any kind of look in general, it's just, you know. Oh, I love this. Oh, this is so pretty. Girl, Jaclyn, honey. This is what I was looking for. Oh my god. How do you even get a red that pigmented? It is extremely pigmented. Let me just swatch it with my hand. Oh, okay, I'm not even gonna grab more because it's that intense. I'm just gonna go now with the brush and just blend it a little bit. I don't wanna bring it up too high. You see how it just changed the vibe? I feel like I want to do some kind of cut crease. I feel like I really want to do something dramatic like that. So I'm just gonna cut my crease just with concealer. You know what's funny? I always wonder, I'm like, why do I put so much shadow on my lid if I'm gonna cover it all up with concealer? But it's so hard to do these looks without just doing all of that. But I mean, it is what it is. I just totally dragged my freaking concealer out. I don't know what's going on. My plan was not to do this, guys. I'm telling y'all. I'm just kind of winging it. You know what? We are gonna ignore that because regardless, we are putting, I think, either a pink, no, we're gonna put pink and purple. I'm noticing the palette has some shimmer purples, but no shimmer pinks. So I'm gonna have to improvise and might just have to add some shimmer over the pink. Let's take a moment. This is cute. It's like a medium purple with shimmer. Okay. Oh, she's not as vibrant as I expected it to be, so I'm actually going to wet it. Let's see if that works. I know when you use your finger, it's like magic, but this specific look, girl, I don't know if I could use my fingers. It's a mix of all the freaking concealer. I think that's what is making it not appear as pigmented. Okay, so ignore this, guys. We're gonna clean that mess up. I kind of got inspo off my Brad's look that I did for my birthday, so we're gonna kind of go with that vibe with the liner. Okay, I feel like I'm starting to see the color now. I think it was just the concealer because it's so pink under. Like I said, y'all, I'm gonna clean this up. Do not worry. I know that looks crazy. For the inner corner, I kind of just left it like that because I want to go in with the pink. So right off the bat, girl, I'm looking at Tipsy Girl. Oh, ooh, not shocked. Not shocked at all. This is intense. Okay, this looks almost neon. I don't know if you guys could see on the camera, but it is bright. Now I have a lot of concealer, so I'm a little bit scared how this is gonna pack on. You know, sometimes you see how it kind of looks dark and light in the center. It's because there's so much layered concealer. That's what I was scared about. There is a lot of fallout on my table right now. A lot. Definitely pigmented. I think more pigmented than I thought, honestly. It's just beyond pigmented. This is actually really exciting to look at just because I never ever do crazy looks anymore. It's like, I don't know. I think anytime when I do film, I'll do something, but for my everyday makeup, I will never do anything crazy anymore, and I used to get down with these looks, y'all. I'm just gonna go in with the purple just to kind of give it a little transition, you know? We love an ombre. The only color that I could think about is I'm gonna have to go in just a little bit and just tap it over. Yeah, I feel like that's the only thing that's missing. A shimmer pink. That did something. I mean, very subtle, but it did it. I'm a little bit scared because I want to go in with liner, but there's so much shadow in my eyes that I just know it's gonna be hard. Oh, it's layering on. So what I'm gonna do is basically do a wing liner, and I'm gonna drag it up here and connect it. This is definitely very dramatic, but that's what we are doing. Anytime people tell me, how do you do this? I'm like, don't even think about it. Especially when you do your liner, don't even think about it. Every time I start freaking out, it's like it knows and it messes up. I'm gonna have to go in with some concealer and clean that little mess up and just go over again with liner. Or not liner, I'm sorry, shadow. Whew. Oh my god, that was scary. Now with my wipe, I'm going to clean all of this mess up. You guys ever like struggle so much with one eye and you're just like, wow, I really gotta do all that on the other eye. You see how I kind of cleaned that edge up? Boom. I'm gonna do this eye off camera because ain't nobody got time for this. That was a lot easier actually. I feel like it was the camera, the angles. But I'm noticing right now that there's definitely a big difference with my lid. I feel like this one's like a little crooked and this one came out a lot better. We're gonna ignore that, guys, because I really, for a second, I'm like, I'm gonna take this off a little bit and fix it, but it's like, is it really that serious? Maybe. We are going to apply some lashes now, and I might just pop them on off camera. Oh girl, the sun is coming through. All right, lashes are on. I feel like the lashes definitely put this look together. I'm still kind of cringing about this. Like, I feel like if it was just a little bit more up like this, it would be perfect. But yeah, I feel like the lashes definitely put it together. So these lashes are actually from the Lash Bar LA, and these are in the style Craze. I am living. So I'm actually gonna do the rest of my face. I'll be right back to do my lower lash line. All right, y'all, so now we're all done with the face. I'm actually going to go in with Not My Journey. I'm gonna apply this on my lower lash line. I'm just gonna pack it on though. Like really pack it on, girl. She's doing a full blown smoky look. You know the fucking vibes. And I'm like really packing it on, you know, trying to get the most pigment, and it's definitely there. Wow. And I've heard purples, like I've heard this for years, that purples are really, really hard to make. If y'all have not noticed, I did apply a nude pencil liner on my waterline. I just used this one from NARS. It is a high pigment long wear liner. This is what I do when I get fallout, when I have foundation. I'm like, okay, so now I'm gonna go in with Tipsy Girl. That's gonna be the transition under. I'm trying to be careful though, because I could look beat up real quick. Now I'm gonna do my inner corner. I'm gonna take I'm In It. This is gonna be our inner corner highlight. I just don't know if you're gonna see it well. Okay, I'm gonna have to wet her. Okay. Oh, there it is. Okay, so yeah, maybe I just need to apply a little bit more. That is pretty. Holy crap, I think we're almost done. I'm just gonna coat my lashes and do my lips. So we are officially done with this look. I am obsessed with it. I'm not gonna lie, I feel like the orange is definitely a lot. I would not wear this every day, but I love that I got creative with it. It's really, really, really out of my comfort zone. I feel like the lashes for sure completed it. So like I showed you guys in the beginning, this is how it looks, and holy crap. I apparently scratched the black without even noticing. If I could choose one color, I wish there was like a shimmer shade that I could use in my inner corner, because this one that I used is only gonna go with like these kind of looks. You know what I mean? I don't know what to say. It's like the colors are bomb, but that's the only thing I would change, just that one shadow. That's it. But you guys, I actually really do like this palette. So I'm gonna say it. I'm gonna say it, girl. It is a Fuego. It is fire. I definitely like it. I do. I love that she incorporated different colors. You could literally do a really soft look with this too. I know not all her launches have been like the best. People make mistakes, and that's on period. And you know what's crazy? I actually did hear about another dupe, which was a ColourPop palette, and I believe that ColourPop palette was like $5 less. I'm not educated enough on the palette, guys. I don't have it, but I saw the swatches and they were so similar. It was like the exact palette, I would stick with this one just because it has obviously more shadows. Anyways, I like it. I actually really do. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did enjoy it and found it helpful, don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up. Do not forget to follow me on Instagram, which is Myra Touch of Glam, as well as the rest of my social medias, which will be linked down below. I really hope you guys enjoyed. I love y'all, and I'll see y'all in the next one.